After a sample of geese from Sukhna Lake of Chandigarh tested positive for bird flu, authorities have sounded alert in Punjab and Haryana. Around 90 geese have been culled and authorities have cordoned off the lake, restricting public movement in the area. Director of Chandigarh's Animal Husbandry Department, Prince Dhawan, said the geese were culled on the island in the middle of the lake. The killings were carried out as a precautionary measure to prevent any outbreak of the bird flu in the city and adjoining areas. Proper sterilization methods were followed in the culling process. Meanwhile, state-run Central Poultry Development Organization, which supplies eggs to 9 states, said it has halted all the supplies of eggs and birds as a precautionary measure. The supplies remain suspended for 30 days. Nearly 35 geese died at the lake recently under mysterious circumstances. The administration sounded an alert after it was confirmed that one of the duck had died of H5N1 or bird flu virus.
Powered by NNIS.